Mike from the Charles Mill Marina, here with SunChaser's Geneva 22 cruise. Lots of storage space, a fun look, and most of the options that anyone could ever want on their pontoon boat. Come on aboard, let's take a look at what this offers. So as you can see here, blue panels tied with gold decaling and tan interior. Makes for a really sharp look as you come aboard. So really nice furniture here. It's soft, comfortable, and durable for your long-term boating needs. As we work ourselves a little bit forward towards the back here, I do see lots of cup holders. These ones for the captain are lit up, so it's a really cool feature. Other things to like here at the captain's helm, we do have the power bimini switch, so this bimini is going to open and close for you with just the push of a button. We have a Helix 5 fish finder, depth finder, water temp gauge, a Jensen Bluetooth stereo, and a cell phone holder. Really nice feature there as well. So lots for the captain to like. As we work ourselves a little bit towards the back here, I noticed really nice sun deck here with tons of storage on the underside of it as well. So a nice place to keep your cover that would come with every boat purchase at the Charles Mill Marina. With everything we sell, like I said, covers included, delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio, on-water lesson, safety package, full tank of gas, and a couple fenders to keep you safe at the dock. We're also going to handle all of your titling and registration needs in-house. If you have questions about this boat or maybe think this is the boat for you, give us a call or text us at 419-368-5951. We'll see you soon.